We guide you through how to cite a source in Google Docs so your work stays accurate and plagiarism-free. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the citation to appear. Then, go to Tools in the top menu and select Citations to open the Citations panel on the right side. Choose your citation style like APA, MLA, or Chicago, depending on your requirements. Click Add, Citation Source, select the source type such as website, book, or journal, and fill in the required details like author, title, and publication date. Once done, click Add Citation, then use the Cite button to insert the in-text citation into your document. You can also automatically generate a bibliography at the end of your document with one click. These built-in tools make citation sources fast, organized, and professional.